In this lesson, I am going to show you how to develop a hand signal by using a verbal command that your dog already understands. So for this lesson, I've got my dog Miko here, and I'm going to demonstrate that he does understand the verbal command down. Miko? Down. Good. Okay, now what I am going to do is I'm going to place this verbal command on a hand signal. Now Miko does understand the hand signal down. He understands this to be his down hand signal. So I will demonstrate, okay? Good. So what I am going to do to illustrate my point for this lesson is I am going to use this for a signal for the down. This is something that he does not understand at this point. So I will go ahead and show you that. Miko, let's see what he does. Okay, so you can see he's not really sure what that meant. So now let's get started on teaching that this means down. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this hand signal in front of the verbal command, which he already understands. So I'm going to do down, and then I'm going to reinforce the down. And I'm going to do this over and over until at some point he understands that this means the same thing as down. So I'll show you how this works. Come here, Miko. Good boy. Down. Good. And I'm going to reinforce that to show that that is exactly what I wanted. Okay? And we will repeat. Down. Good. Okay? Down. Good. Okay? Down. Good. So you can see he's really watching the signal, but he's still unsure what it exactly means. He does know the verbal command very well. Okay? And I'm going to do this a few times, and then I'm going to give a hand signal, and I'm not going to say the verbal command and hope that he guesses it. But not yet. Hey, buddy. Down. Good. Down. So that time I pause. I just wanted to see if he would guess it. Okay? Down. Good. Okay. Come here. Good. And there, now we're getting somewhere. We are continuing to develop a hand signal of your choosing by using a verbal command that the dog already understands. So I've done a few sessions with Miko, and I'm going to continue. Let's see how he does. Here we go. Down. Good. So again, we are placing the hand signal in front of the verbal command that the dog already understands. Okay? Down. Good. Good. And he's starting to put it together. It will take multiple trials for your dog to put this together. The down is also especially much harder than a sit. Good. Okay? Good. And now he's starting to put it together. Good. Okay? Okay? Good. That's a good one to end on. So now I've taught him that this means down, and he also has 3 other signals that mean down. to demonstrate? Okay. So he knows the verbal command. Down. Good. Okay. And he understands the whole old hand signal. Good. Okay. And he understands a German word for down. But good. Okay. And now we have the new hand signal that we just developed. Good. I don't think he likes that one as well. Good.